Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield from your daily Anfield Road expansion update. I haven't been here for 5 days, as people have pointed out. Yeah, I've had a little break from YouTube. When my last video was on Thursday. So Friday, I think the weather was too bad, and it was me lads, my youngest lads, leaving assembly primary school. So I only had a short window that day to, you know what, I'll zoom on these while I'm looking. I only had a short window that day to get something done. I had putting cladding down there, let's focus on them for a minute. Yeah, I had about an hour or two and the weather was too bad, and then I had to go and go to my lad's assembly. Then Saturday and Sunday I had loads of photography work on. I had football teams to photograph, which I'll put some photos on now actually. So if anyone's interested in these photographs, let me know. I can do a really good price. So yeah, I've done the kid photography Saturday and Sunday, plus the weather was terrible. So I don't think I'd have got up anyway. So it's a good job I had the photography work on. Monday, yesterday, again I had to do some photography at a graduation in Edgehill University. So I only had like an hour or two window there that morning, and it rains all morning. It was nice in the afternoon, sod's law. And it's now Tuesday and here I am. Okay, so yeah, that's where I've been. Just busy with work, you know. I'm trying to make other things happen for me. Like the photography, as you know, I've got my foundation degree in digital imaging and photography. So yeah, that's where I've been. I'm trying to cover that as fast as I could there. What's going on at the back there? What's that little yellow fence? It's weird, isn't it? So yeah, I'm sorry if I haven't been here, guys. Just busy with other things, unfortunately. I didn't think I'd be missed because there's loads covering this now. There's plenty out there doing it. Right. Don't seem to be much going. I can see, you know what, I'll get around that side because I see scaffold dead eye up in the air there. Right there, zoom in, I can't work out what it is. What's this here? I thought the scaffold from the ground going up, but what's all this scaffold for here? It's to work on the underside, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So it's to get that underside cladded, maybe. I don't know. Anyone knows, let me know. As always, I'm not too sure. Bricky's getting cracking on that wall there. Doing a great job. Yeah, last time I was here, the pitch wasn't complete either, was it? I have seen that it is complete, so I'll have a look in a minute. Won't do the owl. Let's get over and see if it's complete. Monarchy. Right, so let's go to cine mode. Yeah, that lift's just coming down there. Wonder what it was up for. See, there's dark clouds forming now. So, yeah, that wall's looking very high now, isn't it? Good job, guys. That's brilliant, that. Okay. What's this on the ground here? What's all that? I have no idea. So I'm going to get high and I'm going to get above the ground now, so I'm going to get to my maximum height. That'll see me. 119. Let's have a good look at the pitch. So when did I finish getting laid? Spot the rain coming down on me here. We got finished getting laid on Friday. Well, according to the groundsman, it's good to play on tomorrow. So of his. It looks great, doesn't it? Let me get it all in shot and go forward. So I'll get a moan. Can't really see it when it's got the lines on now. We're getting there. More talks of delays. I'm going to leave that for now. I've got some interesting news regarding me and Liverpool Football Club coming tomorrow. If I don't get an email back today. Still. Right, so that corner's cladded up now nearly, innit? So I'm guessing no seats are going in there. So I don't know what's going on under that there. They must be cladding, mustn't they? If anyone knows, it'd be helpful. Someone pointed out that I say if anyone knows quite a lot, it's because if there's something I can't answer, I can hazard a guess at. But if anyone knows, then let me know. That's why I ask, if anyone knows. Yeah, I think they're going to be fairly short from now on the videos because there's not going to be a lot to see. But people, so to be the way I've been getting messages left, right and centre, people asking me to keep doing the dailies. It isn't that I've stopped doing the dailies, it's just that I've been busy with other work. Because I really want my photography to take off now, if I'm being honest. So yeah, I've been busy with work that way and just trying to work out if there's any more benches going in at all. Yeah, I reckon there'll be 6 going in there, definitely. And weather, again, it's starting to spit now, so I'm going to have to come down in a minute. If you think I've missed anything, let me know, guys. I haven't been here for a few days, so there might have been stuff that I've missed and just haven't noticed. You know, there was someone walking on the main stand before when I arrived in the car. So they must have been on that little walkway. Yeah, the hatch is open. Don't let me get round. See, the hatch is open there, you see. Yeah, so it must be someone on there before, but not now. Let me have a look at what's going on with that cherry picker. Was that there when I arrived? Must have been. I've only been here 10 minutes. Yeah, I should be doing the finishing pieces on that corner. I can't stay up too long, guys. It's coming down. Police van going past. Just see if there's any. No. Yeah, another thing is the air ambulance video, if you saw it, the lad who that was for has contacted me. He was driving his bike down Wattenbreck Road, I think it was, and he was going through a green light. A car was committed to turning right as he was going through the green light, so that must mean, like, I don't know, I can't exactly work it out, but anyway, the car was in the wrong, drove in front of him, he's gone over the car, he's gone 10 foot in the air and 20 foot down the road. He's had multiple injuries and a bleed on the brain as well. He's reached out to me because he was interested to see what happened with the air ambulance. And one thing I didn't know is air ambulance, it doesn't mean that you're going to go in the helicopter. It's just that they can get there to an emergency faster than, you know, a road ambulance paramedic, if you like. So that's why that was there. They treated him. He's taken off to hospital. He's fine. He said he's got a long road to recovery. But he wants me to highlight the importance of wearing the proper bike safety kit, as in, you know, I take it the leathers, proper helmet, everything, gloves, boots. I think he had all that on. If he hadn't, I think he'd have been ripped to shreds by sounding how fast he went down the road. Yeah, so I'm not going to mention his name or where he works, because he's told me all this, told me not to mention it. So yeah, but he might at some point when he's feeling better come and do a chat with me in the park, which I've invited him to do. He lives at Anfield. He said the community's rallied around him brilliantly. Good sense of community in Anfield, he's saying. Yeah, so I'll give you a mention. I'm glad you're on the road to recovery. I'm glad your injuries are not like threatening as well. And obviously the air ambulance done an amazing job. I just saw the way they come through, landed. Police car picked them up, took them straight to the thing. So they landed in Brexside Park, and that junction is about another half mile down the road. So they've had a long walk from that helicopter. But yeah, just thought I'd mention that because he reached out to me. He's given me some information about himself, his injuries and stuff. So yeah, just thought I'd let people know because people were asking about him. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, he's on the road to recovery, but it's a long road. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. It's spitting a little bit still. I did say the clouds are forming, didn't I? Yeah, I'm back to my dailies. If I'm not here, it just means I've got other work on, guys. And yeah, if Liverpool don't get back to me today, I'll share what email I got sent yesterday. Okay. Apart from that, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.